Hi, I'm Howie with SnoBlox-Snojax, and this is the VentSaver HD. So the VentSaver HD is made of all aircraft grade aluminum. The riser fin stands 14 inches tall, and the standard configuration has a single cable wrap that's going to go around your pipe. And it does come standard with a single mounting base that takes 6 fasteners. You can also, it's just a few dollars extra, you can order a second mounting base that would give you 12 fasteners. But the HD does come standard with this 14-inch wide lower wing kit, which helps get that snow and ice around the base of your pipe. And then another optional item is once you get this mounted, you can add the height extender. So the height extender is going to give you 2 cable wraps, one here at the bottom, just above your boot, and one here. This is going to go from 14 to 28 inches high. You'll have a second cable wrap. There's 3 ways you can mount this on your roof, so that we have 2 options if you have a mechanically fastened panel. If your panels are already screwed down, you can direct mount through a single mounting base or a double mounting base. You can also order our SD plate, which is screw down plate, and that's a solid plate aluminum. And you're going to go across 2 to 3 of your high ribs, and you're going to use 3-inch long roofing screws. You'll pre-drill where your high ribs are, and you'll secure this with 12 of the 3-inch roofing screws. So that's going to give you a really strong attachment to the roof, and then your VentSaver mounts on top. And then once you get this mounted on the plate, of course, these wings will need to be slid back so that the lower flange fits fully on top of the plate. This aluminum is very easy to drill through. You would just use a 1/4-inch bit, mark where your new holes are going to be, and just drill through, and then use the bolts and nuts to mount these side wings on. So very simple to install. It's a DIY friendly, or it can be professionally installed. So you can direct mount, you can do the SD plate. If you have standing seam, you want to order the SS plate or the standing seam plate. So that's the same aluminum plate, but instead of fasteners, you're going to get 4 RCT clamps. So this is a patented clamp. It's non-penetrating. As you can see, it's held on with set screws. And these mount underneath the plate, and then there's a top bolt that goes into these grooves, and that allows it to slide in and out. And that fits about 95% of today's standing seam panel profiles between 12 and 24 inches wide. So very versatile, and it's universal fit for about 95% of the seams out there. So once you get your plate installed, let's say you have a seam here and here, you've got all the plates include this aluminum ramp. It's 27 inches long, and it has this lip. This is the mounting flange. So it goes on the upslope side of the plate. You'll just mark where your seams are, and then you'll take a hacksaw or a metal cutting blade, and you'll just cut this ramp down to whatever size you need to get around your seams. And then you just mount those on the plate like that. And then where your mounting flange is, you'll just do a simple notch. You just simply notch out for your mounting flange. So if you have any questions about this VentSaver, once again, this is the VentSaver HD. This is our heavy duty version. This is actually our middle of the product line. You have the VentSaver Easy, and then the HD, and then we have the Extreme above this. But this is our heavy duty version. So if you have any questions, give us a call or hit us up on live chat.